Just have a look at this gorgeous beauty. Stunning, isn't it? In its new avatar, this 4th generation i20 is set to redefine the segment benchmarks and carry forward the strong legacy of the i20 years of the all-new i20, project an aggressive and sleek styling with a futuristic appeal. The dynamic and edgy front comes with a unique parametric dual pattern grille which projects a bold and upmarket look. The LED projector headlamps exudes high-tech and premium appeal along with the projector fog lamps. While the superior shades are strikingly iconic, the cabin operates adding to the luxurious cabin experience. The comfortable and spacious cabin of the all-new i20 showcases the mastery of Hyundai designers to offer a perfect balance between practicality and aesthetics while offering class-leading cabin space. The well-cushioned front and rear seats are ergonomically designed to offer excellent legroom and thigh support for the utmost comfort of all the occupants, while the superior shoulder room in the rear ensures maximized sitting comfort, especially during the long journeys. Moreover, the large boot space of 311 liters can comfortably carry your weekend luggage. When it comes to outside visibility, the widened windscreen of the all-new i20 ensures a confident and commanding front view, while the large DLO area with lowered beltline and rear quarter glass ensure airy cabin feel for relaxed journeys. Hyundai is known for introducing models with new, advanced to offer are remote engine start and AC climate control, remote locking and unlocking of the car, stolen vehicle tracking and immobilization, geofencing and host of other alert services. Moreover, with the target customers highly exposed to digital world, the smartwatch integration with Hyundai BlueLink via Google Android, Apple iOS and Tizen platforms take the connected car experience to the next level. In case of an emergency situation, the SOS, RSA and BlueLink call center switches on the inside rearview mirror ensure that the assistance is just a touch of a button away. In our endeavor to delight our customers, the all-new i20 comes equipped with host of segment-best and segment-first features, including one-touch electric sunroof with tilt function, smartphone wireless charger with cooling pad, first in India Oxy Boost air purifier for clean and healthy cabin air, and welcome function with auto-unfolding ORVMs and puddle lamps, to name a few. At the heart of the interior lies the optically linked infotainment and digital cluster, offering a cockpit-like experience. The state-of-the-art intuitive digital cluster with multi-information TFT screen displays host of information such as individual tire pressure monitoring system, turn-by-turn navigation, and drive-related information such as distance to empty, trip mileage, average fuel consumption, to name a few. The ergonomically positioned 26.03 centimeter advanced HD touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with onboard navigation and smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moreover, the unique dual phone Bluetooth connectivity enables you to connect two phone devices for listening to music and calling at the same time. Complementing the advanced infotainment system, the all-new i20 comes with the segment-best Bose Premium 7-speaker system, offering an ultimate theater-like acoustic experience on the go. The all-new i20 is not only about great design and advanced features, but also invincible performance. With the sleek aerodynamic profile and thoughtful engineering, the drag coefficient of the all-new i20 is an impressive low of 0.33, thus ensuring superior driving dynamics and improved efficiency. For thrill-loving enthusiasts, the all-new i20 offers high-power 1.0-liter turbo GDI petrol engine that generates enormous segment-best 120 PS of power and 17.5 kgm of torque. When coupled with best-in-the-segment 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, it clocks a lightning-fast performance of 0 to 100 kmph in just 9.9 seconds. The 1.0-liter turbo also comes with a segment-unique 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, which offers the best of both worlds, the fun ride
and shows a complete peace of mind. Adding to this, the all-new i20 comes with lowest cost of maintenance in its segment. Our widespread network offers services like Hyundai on WhatsApp, pick and drop, and many other service facilities. For additional customer delight, I'm happy to announce we are also introducing the widest range of 50 accessories for i20 which will surely build more customer excitement. These accessories will be available at our dealerships to ensure customers can avail quality at Hyundai itself. I'm sure that the all-new i20 will again redefine the premium compact segment, not just in terms of product features, but also taking customer experience to a whole new level.
Line 1.5 diesel ESTA option trim at rupees 10.59 lakh.